Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming fuel and safety. Check the refill cell or liquid level, then position yourself with the wind at your back. Once done, clear a 1-meter area of loose paper and fabrics and make sure hair and sleeves are secured. Hold the lighter steadily, aim away from people, then engage the ignition with a controlled press. You do this so the flame appears predictably and you avoid unexpected flare-ups. Practicing the motion builds consistent timing and reduces wasted fuel. Once you have a steady spark, focus on control. Adjust the flame height using the wheel or slider so the flame matches the task, low for candle wicks, higher for pilot lights. You press and hold with deliberate, even pressure. Sudden jerks change fuel flow and create sputters. For longer tasks, use short 2 to 3 second bursts and pause to let the nozzle cool. This preserves fuel and prevents overheating. If you hold for too long, internal parts can warp and performance drops. To finish, release the ignition and verify the flame is out. Count a calm 10 seconds before stowing the lighter so residual gas dissipates. You should store it upright in a cool, ventilated place away from sunlight and heat sources, which preserves seals and prevents pressure changes. If it won't light, check fuel level first, then clean the nozzle with a soft brush and test the ignition. If the problem persists, replace the refill or the unit. Troubleshooting tip: if sputtering occurs, purge a short burst to clear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.